Hey guys, Nikki here, Lonebird Studio, and I've got another Stationery Selection box. This is the February 2018 box, and unfortunately this will be my last box, at least for now. I'm trying to save some money because there's some bigger items. I want to purchase a new desk and whatnot, so I had to cut some stuff out, and even though I love everything in here, it seemed like the easiest thing for me to cut out. So without further ado, let's see what awaits in the Stationery Selection box. Alright, there's the paper that always comes in the box. Alright, I already see some cute stuff. Okay, let's just dig in here. Oh, I see a pen. Alright, let's see what this is. A zebra clip, A5. Oh, obviously that needs to come off. I wonder if it's brown ink, you guys. That would be so cool. Find a scrap piece. Well, I'll just write on this. It's brown ink. I don't know, it might be hard to see. Oh, that's awesome. That is so awesome. Cool. Oh, look at the washi tape. It's like a little grid ruler. That's super cute. MT. We got here. Masking tape cutter. Huh. Well, that's pretty nifty. You just attach it to your tape roll and it cuts your tape. See, I'm gonna miss getting these. They have the coolest stuff. Seal collection. Oh, these are like little guys. That's pretty funny. Those are cute. Ooh. Oh my gosh, there's so much good stuff in here. Brass index clips. Very cool. That is so neat. Traveler's Company. So those are Midori? I don't know. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, little to-do list. Too stinking cute. Then we've got A5 Slim Notebook. I didn't know there was such a thing. Camino Kokuyo, is that how you say it? Trying to open this up. Let's see. Ooh, that feels nice. Oh, it's graph paper. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. What's 5 envelopes? Oh, these are cute. Aww, and there's like a little clip. They look so, oh, little labels that you can put on the envelopes. How cute. Oh, you guys, I'm gonna miss getting this box so much. So much. Oh, there's so many good items in here. Mitz does a great job. And her husband, I think, too, helps. Those are neat envelopes. And then the little labels and the little clip. So cute. Alright, so Camino A5 Slim Notebook, grid and blank paper all in one book. Okay, one side is blank, I guess. So, grid, blank. Hightide letter set. Is that, I don't know which one that is. Hightide letter set? Is that this? Yes, that's this. Cute. Did it, oh, it comes with paper too. That green paper. Huh, cute. Okay, and then this little, what is it? Kokuyo Karo Cut. I'm sure I am butchering that name. That is super cool. Let's see if I can open this and show you guys. Oh. So yeah, you stick your tape through there and it cuts your tape. That is pretty neat. Oh yeah, it just clips on there. Let's see, do I have any tape? I have to have a roll of washi laying in my messy desk. Let me grab a roll, guys. Okay, so I guess it just clips on like that, and then how awesome is that? Oh, that is just too cute. I got no words for that. How clever. The stuff people come up with, it just amazes me. How cute. Okay, so that's killer. Love it. All right, to-do list, Midori Yarukoto list. I hope I'm saying this right. Midori Ojisan. I hope I'm saying that right. Schedule stickers. Those are super cute. And the washi. Love. And you can use that with the little cutter. The brass clips from Traveler's Company. And then the zebra Sarasa Vintage pen, I think, in brown gray. There's that. I've already lost my others. That is awesome. So yeah, I gotta say, I really am heartbroken to have to, I had to unsubscribe, but hopefully, again, I can start getting this box because they just put together such a neat box of goodies. So yeah, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This will be the last Stationery Selection unboxing for a little bit. But I'll have more videos for you guys. So if you want to subscribe and be notified when I upload those new videos, go ahead and hit subscribe. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys.